Every second, every pin, something is being made here, at a scale you never see. One small mistake can stop everything instantly.
And it all begins with something that looks completely harmless.
This is where the process starts. And from this moment, precision takes control. Each piece begins as a perfectly cut metal disc.
Thousands move forward every single minute.
Pressure reshapes them with exact force. Every movement is controlled. Nothing is left to chance. And this is just the beginning of the transformation.
The process continues without stopping.
Each stage stretches the metal further than before.
This happens again and again with perfect consistency. Even the thickness is precisely controlled.
It's no longer just metal. The shape is now unmistakable.
Now, heat changes everything. The metal is softened, but never damaged. Then cooled instantly to lock in strength. Every surface is cleaned to perfection.
Now, the casing is complete.
Now, the real assembly begins. Each casing is prepared at quatre to hold the ignition point. This tiny component controls everything. If this fails, the entire process fails. Every grain is measured with exact precision.
Thousands are filled exactly the same way.
While this happens, another part is being formed. Each one perfectly shaped.
And this is where it all comes together.
From raw metal to a complete cartridge. The structure is complete, but the process isn't over yet. Every connection is secured with exact pressure. This step locks everything in place. Even the smallest imperfection is detected instantly. Now the surface is refined at high speed. Every surface is polished to perfection.
The difference is instantly visible.
Every single piece exactly the same. Nothing unnecessary is left behind.
Now they are nearly complete. Before they leave the factory, every single piece is tested. Dimensions are measured down to microscopic precision. Even the weight must be exact. Every surface is checked for the smallest flaw. Nothing escapes the system.
If it fails, it's removed instantly.
Only the perfect ones move forward.
Even entire batches are verified.
This is the final approval.
Now, every piece is ready.
Now production reaches full speed. Every piece is organized instantly. Precision, even in arrangement.
Each box is filled with exact count.
Thousands packed every minute. Every box is verified before sealing. Sealed and secured. Then grouped into larger units. Prepared for transport.
This is mass production at full scale.
But the process doesn't end here. They are prepared for large-scale movement. Every stack built with precision.
Now, they start moving.
Stored in massive quantities. Every position carefully organized. The system never stops moving. And soon, they leave the factory. Loaded for delivery. Ready to move beyond these walls. Beyond the factory, the journey continues. For the first time, it leaves the controlled environment.
And now it starts moving at scale.
From one facility to a much larger network. Now part of a much bigger system. Moving across long distances without interruption.
And it's not just one. Every shipment has a destination. And the journey pauses for the next stage.
This is how production becomes global movement. The journey continues, even after arrival.
Every load handled with precision. And placed into controlled storage. At a scale few ever witness. But it all comes down to this. Every detail engineered with precision. Each one exactly the same. Built to perform without failure. Even movement is predictable. Nothing here is left to chance. It all started here. It all started here. From raw metal to precision engineering.
At incredible speed.
And massive scale. All leading to one final product. Engineered down to the smallest detail. Perfect. Precise.
And this is how modern factories produce bullets, from start to finish.
A process built on precision and scale.
Stay imprint. Subscribe for more insane factory breakdowns. Thank you, Cleve.